So when Parker was 13, he came with me to a Grant Cardone boot camp. He raised his hand and he asked Grant,
"What advice would you have to give to someone young like me?"
That's where Grant said he needed to leverage his age and he needed a money goal. So Grant gave him a goal of $10,000 and said, how are you gonna achieve this goal?
What's your business gonna be?
Repairing phones.
Will you repair phones well?
Yeah.
Grant then had him go to the audience and say, hey, give me $100 and I'll fix your phone. That's where he raised $1,800, and then Grant told him that if he showed him that money at the end of the year, he would double it. So Grant said to Parker, what could you do to protect this money? Parker said, I can invest it. Grant being a real estate investor, Parker took that money he made on stage, gave it right back to Grant Cardone, who then cut him a check at the end of the year for double. That video went viral on the internet, and that's where the owner of Techy, Tim Phelps, reached out.
This is right up my alley. Techy, check it out. I got the tools, we can fix it. We have over 100 stores in 9 different countries. I would love to assist you.
So after that, we met with Tim. Parker put the money together, and we launched this store. We flew down to Florida, went through the training, and then we were looking for a spot, and that's where the location where his mother and I first met, where him and Natalie had pretty much grown up, had just become available, and now it's right here in Elm Plaza, Waterville, Maine.
Hey, I'm Parker, I'm 17 years old, and this is my Techy electronic repair store where we buy, sell, and repair electronics from phones, tablets, computers, gaming consoles, drones, digital cameras, and much more.
Here at Techy, we have a wide variety of accessories, including cases, tempered glass, headphones, speakers, car mounts, and so much more.
We also have a huge selection of certified like new and refurbished phones, computers, tablets, gaming consoles, and much more. We also custom build computers, and they all come with a warranty. Come check us out at 110 Elm Plaza in Waterville, Maine.